Hey, my name is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Coachmen has been in business for a very long time, very well respected in the industry. Chaparral is part of their division. Chaparral has multiple different, they have from the Chaparral to the regular full profile down to your light and your X light, so your smaller ones, not as tall a profile. So they've got a bunch of different fifth wheels for everybody, right? From the guy that needs something a little bit smaller to the person that wants to stay in it full time to the person that, like this particular model, that this one had 2 full baths with a front bunk room. So not a lot of people have that type of layout out there. So they just got a niche for every buyer that's looking at a fifth wheel in the industry. Forest River is part of Coachmen, right? So Forest River's been in business forever. Coachmen's been in business as well. You're going to have a very, very good product here. Quality-wise is going to be very good. Fit and finish, getting taken care of as far as with your warranty and stuff after the fact if you have issues. They're very, very good to work with. So awesome line. Excited to have it on board here at RV Wholesalers, and I think you guys are going to be very impressed with them as well.